Google just released Gemini 3 and it's absolutely insane. You're actually able to create a voice AI agent demo website in under 5 minutes using one single prompt. This website is fully functional and you're able to test all the voice agents right on the website. So let me show you guys exactly how you can do this. And this is the end result you're going to be able to get in under 5 minutes. A beautiful website just like this with a bunch of buttons and it looks really clean, as well as over here, 5 different use cases of voice agents for real estate agents. This is just an example demo that I created, but let me show you guys real quick one of the voice agents. So let's try the property info hotline. Hello.
Hello there. How can I help you today?
I'd like to have more information on 123 Maple Street, the house there.
Certainly. That house is priced at $850,000. It has 2,400 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Are there any other details you'd like to know?
All right, so you guys get the gist of it. It's built in all into Gemini 3 on a URL right here that you can send straight to your clients. So now I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a website like this and deploy it automatically. You don't even need retail or any other voice agent software like that you have to set up yourself. You can just do it all with one prompt here in Gemini just to show a quick demo. And then if your clients do want you to build them a custom voice agent that's more polished, then you guys can even grab these and ask a Gemini to create you a prompt to bring into retail or VAPI or any other software you guys use for that. So what's really cool about Gemini 3 is that their newest release is multimodal. So what this means is that instead of just like ChatGPT where you talk to a chatbot, here you're able to connect a bunch of their APIs and everything in the backend, all with AI, which helps us create and build apps all just with Gemini. So to create a website like this, I'm going to pick the niche of real estate agents and recreate the website I showed you guys earlier. But if you want, you can do this for any niche like service businesses, B2B markets, anything. You guys can play around with this because it's so easy to make that you can literally just write a prompt and create 5 apps in under like 20 minutes. So all you got to do is go to aistudio.google.com/apps. And then once you're over here, you'll be on a page like this. Once you come to this page, you want to go to build over here. You click on build and then here you see it says describe your ideas. So you can also pick the model, but for now we'll leave it on Gemini 3 Pro preview. And over here, you can write any prompt to build any app/website you'd like. This is amazing for creating front-end UI designs as well as even some back-end connected with Gemini's own APIs. Here, I'm gonna put in a simple prompt I already created. I'm gonna read through it and explain you my thought process for creating this prompt. All right, so create a website that focuses on real estate agents based on the agency I'm currently running, which is a voice AI agency. This agency offers services to real estate agents. The website should include 5 distinct agents that real estate agents can test themselves. Then I went into ChatGPT and I asked it to give me 5 different use cases for voice AI agents that I can sell to real estate agents. And then I literally just copy and pasted those into here. And as you can see, it gave me a 24/7 lead qualification and follow-up. It gave me property information hotline, automated showing scheduling, and then all the other ones right here with a little more info. You can just copy and paste that once you ask ChatGPT. Then all we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the build button right here. And then as you can see, this looks very similar to something like Lovable or Bolt, because it's pretty much their competitors made by Google. It works very efficiently and actually works really well. All the tests I've done so far outperformed Lovable and Bolt by a lot, and it's absolutely free, which makes it a game changer. So while it loads here, I want to show you guys a bit of the UI here. So here you're gonna have the preview. Here you have the prompting. You can write more over here in the prompt and you can actually see what's happening here. Then we can also check the code. And right here, you can see it's actually coding the whole website for us. So it actually creates a whole backend with code that we can just copy and paste and use anywhere. It literally creates the entire code for us, and you can watch it happening live. So another really cool thing they have here is on the top right, these icons. What you see here is something called Save to GitHub, which is really cool because GitHub is kind of like this code sharing platform where when you create code, you can upload it to GitHub and then other people can kind of download that code and contribute updates to it. So it's really good for working with other people. And for example, if you really like what came out of here and you want to make a more professional version of it, you don't have to start from zero. You can actually save to GitHub and hire some coders to start working on it from there. Another really cool feature is if you just want to download it locally so that you can use it on your desktop, you can just download app and it'll download all the files and actually tell you exactly how to open it locally on your desktop. And then also you can deploy the app. This is what I'm going to be showing you guys once the website finishes. That's how you're going to be able to deploy the app onto the internet, and you can even use a custom domain. This is very useful because if you're doing this custom demo for a client that already has a brand or a URL, you can literally ask them to use their URL and set it up onto their URL to send them the demo. Or even if you have your own URL for your own agency, you can just create a subdomain and it's very branded. So I'm just gonna wait here while it finishes. As you can see, it's creating all the different folders and files that it needs to do to create this complex backend for this website. And I'll show you guys how it looks like when it's done running. And right now we have a white screen here. So I think something went wrong. But what's really cool about here is we can say the screen is white. I'm not seeing the website. I think something is broken. Please fix this. And we're gonna let that create the prompt for that. And I'm just gonna send prompt. And then it should actually automatically fix any bugs that happen. So since this is experimental, there's obviously gonna be some issues here and there. Also, it debugs really well. So I'm just gonna let it debug and I'll be back once it fixes itself. And boom, just like that. Look at that. It automatically fixed itself, and you can see the first AI agents that sound human, estate voice AI, very clean website. You can literally just send this to a client. Look at that, seamless integration with your CRM, everything. It even added more things that I didn't even ask it to add. So you can see how professional looking this is. I'll put it full screen just so you guys can see it better. And as you can see right here, we have the different voice AI agents we can test. Hey, what's the address of the property? And I'd also like to know more info about the property.
The address is 123 Maple Drive. This fantastic home has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and it's 2,800 square feet of amazing space. It's also in the top-rated Lincoln School District. Are you interested in seeing this incredible property?
What I'll show you guys right now is how we can actually deploy this website, because right now it's just hosted in our little Google AI Studio, and I want to host it on a URL so that I can send it to my clients. So all you're gonna do is you go to deploy app over here, select a cloud project. Once you click select the cloud project, you guys can create a project here. I already created a demo project, so I'm just gonna click on that. Once you do create a project, it's gonna ask you to set up a billing, and then you're going to be able to click deploy app. Since I did use this project to deploy my other app that I was showing you guys earlier, it's already deployed in this test environment, but I'll just show you guys what it would look like for you. Once you click on the link there, it's gonna bring you into your Google Cloud here, and this is where everything is hosted and ran. If you do wanna add a custom domain, what you can do is you can go here to domain mapping, and then you can add mapping over here. You can click select service to map, you click on the service, select verify a new domain, and then here you're just gonna put the domain that you own, and then it's gonna give you DNS records to change in your hosting service. And once you do that, you're gonna have a subdomain and you're gonna have a custom domain. Also, the top link here that it gives you, the app URL, this is the URL. If you don't wanna add a custom domain, you can just copy and paste that, just like that. And as you can see, the website is hosted live right here and works just as expected. So this is a really quick way to create an asset for clients with AI super quickly so that you can show them a little pre-value before they even pay you. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video and found some value in it. If you did enjoy, please click the like button and subscribe. For more AI automation things and dropshipping, you can go in the description and go to my school. It's completely free and I have a bunch of resources there. Also, if you're a business owner and you need help in any way with AI, please book a call with me and we can do a free consultation to look into your business and see if we could help you in any way. But other than that, see you guys in the next one. Peace.